Hey guys, Confirm I'm here. I am on a little vacation visiting some family, but I was able to get a laptop and my microphone going. So I'm going to give you a little update on the market because, it was kind of crazy the past 2 days. So I'm going to give you a little synopsis on what's going on. I want to say thank you guys for tuning into the channel and having, just like, commenting, subscribing, and just being a part of it. I really do appreciate all of you. And, it's me taking my time out of my day to do these kind of videos, for you guys. It's a cool thing. But sorry, I'm a little quiet. Family's around and just trying to do some TA on this little tiny laptop that doesn't have any of my charts. So we're gonna go through it, kind of give you the synopsis and what I think is going to wind up happening for the continuing couple days into the past. What happened over the past couple days. So coin market cap showing we're just over $1 trillion again. We were at 3 trillion just like a year and a half ago, but at about 1.04, nice to see because we got down to the $800 billion point. Bitcoin up quite a bit today. No, 1.33, but almost 10% in the past 7 days. Ethereum 6.1. Everything is pretty crazy. Regardless, XRP back at 40 cents. BNB over 300. Ethereum up at that 1633. All right, so we're gonna get ourselves into BNB, showing you this here. Got above our target here at about 300. Came back as a test for support, but looks like we have a technical target reaching up here around this 316 region. Let's see. So the 317. That's where we're looking. But if we do wind up falling through it, we're going to be looking at around that 281, which is still above, this 200-day moving average, as well as this 702. Ethereum broke to the upside, as you can see. Nice to see. We got our short-term. Looks like we got our short-term little target right here to that 1617. And then it pushed upwards to the upper boundary because it's where we have our boundary, and you can see multiple taps through it and then a rejection. So that's pretty cool to see, nonetheless, that it was able to get back up here. Remember, I did say though, we're sitting in that region. You're going to be kind of in no man's land, so it's going to retest the next Fibonacci, and as you can see, it did get rejected from that major resistance. So now we're gonna have to see how this one plays out, which I think is the one playing out in the same sort of way. Kind of get ourselves in here and see what this looks like. I'm trying to think here. So it looks like we have 1 point from here over here, just like that. Got 3 on the bottom side like this. This looks like it comes out till like midweek next week. If it wants to be that volatile and play against it, it could be shorter. This is a 4-hour chart, but it looks like it'd be proving itself up there to around, like, what's that, $1,700, just around there. Let's see, just right here, right there, 1703. But it's at full resistance. That's the thing too. You guys, it hit full target off of the bottom that it had set, but it's not extremely overbought. It's kind of like it came back to reality. So this just, but you're also your 20-day moving average is sitting here at about 1606. So I'm going to be kind of assessing how this is going to be playing out in the next couple of days. You could also draw a fib from the top here to the bottom here that it had set. You can see that it'd be coming back down to a support around 1612, the 1588. Those are both, you're still bullish for continuation. And then your target's up there, breaking through 1680. It'd be kind of yielding itself up there to almost $1,800. With if it were to actually do a huge break to the upside. We already went through BNB. Let's go to Bitcoin. Here we go. Bitcoin. Look at that. Full target to the 3618. Come back on support at the 2618. So we did discuss this in my post yesterday. I said that if we were to break ourselves, moving. Uh-oh. I'm viewing the wrong tab. There we go. Getting ourselves into that region, we would be retesting that the 3618. Sorry, the 2618, because of we're kind of just in the middle of no man's land, and it did. You see, it came back for about 8 hours, these two little candles, and then it just pushed through. But now coming back to support, which, you know, it could be that 2618, but at, you know, some miracle, it would be coming back down to the 1618, sitting there about 21,878, because, you know, it's pretty overextended at the moment. So it's, you know, it's kind of that confluence of just waiting for a retest. But on the other side, I mean, that's what I would want to stay bullish with, but it could come all the way down to the 702 region, which is sitting there around that 2128 region. So, you know, above 21,000 for a retracement. But, you know, a fuller movement you could see off of a short term would be up here to around that 23,906. But Safuu time. Safuu time is showing us that on a short term here, we got rejected from the 0.5. And it looks like it's coming back down for support here in the 2121. Loses that, you know, you come back down to 20 cents and 73 tenths. So it hasn't given us a signal of reversal yet. You know, this is off of a multi-day. You know, this is from the 18th. So it's past 3 days of data right here. Our next target's sitting down here around 13 cents. If we realistically wanted to do a inverse fib, you do from here to here, you can see that you have a couple pit stops beforehand. You have 19, 17, 15, 14, and then it'd be the 13. So just kind of giving you guys those synopsises. But if it is to fall through that 20 cents, 19 and 17 are pretty inevitable. But I hope you guys have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Thank you for sticking it through with me, because, you know, this is a little interesting to do on here. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Have a good afternoon, evening, wherever you are. And goodbye, guys.